Pontiac G5 Saturn ion. If you're smelling gas, like you're seeing dark spots in the asphalt, and it doesn't start up right away, takes a couple seconds of cranking. Stop, don't drive it. There was a recall for gas leaking out the fuel tank by the top of the fuel pump. It was leaking out the fuel sending unit. And also, this stupid clip down below here, right by the back axle, on the driver's side, holds rust. Anything like that does, at least in the Midwest states. And then too, you have heat shield stuff here. As you see, it's just holding the rust in as I shake it off. So, you're gonna have to go after the lines. Right now, we're probably gonna have to splice it. I hate to use rubber, but until I get the real fuel lines in, I might have to. That's where it's leaking. So that's an idea where to look. I don't know how far it goes back, but this is the main spot I'm kind of worried about. And they have it on the internet. You can order the lines for $150, $160-ish. Some come in sections where you just screw them together. Some are just straight piece. I think the sections is kind of cool, so if you ever screw it up, you could just flare your own fittings and put them back in. Flare your own lines, sections. But okay, that is what to look for in a Chevy Cobalt. This clip just came out. I just slowly pried it out slowly so I can still get that piece out. And it's right there. That holds the brake lines and the fuel lines. And our big leak should be over here. So we'll cut the video short and see what we can do to patch it. And if you're going to use any rubber hose, which you shouldn't use fuel injection hose and use fuel injection clamps. If not, 2 regular clamps on each side. Fuel injection clamps don't leave marks where the screw goes. They're more evenly centered on their pressure points, so you don't put a dent in the line.